Y'all, I'm trying. I'm trying to make this work. Hello, honeys. Welcome back to a new video. If you are new here, welcome. If you are not, welcome back, honey. If you haven't already joined the honey game, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Hit that button down below and make sure you click the bell next to it so that you are notified every time I upload. So you guys, I am back with you guys with another headband wig, okay? So this is a headband wig that my friend Nisa had tried out. She sent us a picture of it, and I was like, I like how that looks. And y'all know I'm gonna have a link for y'all down below if it is still available. So this is what it looks like when it comes in the mail. Let's see what all it comes with. So it comes with a little thank you note, has all their information and stuff on it. If you leave a review, you can let them know. And then it also comes with like cleaning instructions, how to minimize tangling and shedding and all of that good stuff. So that's helpful. This is a, I don't know if I can read this. It says black color. I want to say it says 16-inch headband wig. Comes with this net, I guess. What is this? And then it comes with this little headband. Okay. And then this is what the hair looks like. So it's a curly headband wig. Looks good. We'll see how it look on me though. Okay, so I'm gonna try to put on oh, and it does have combs. Is the only one? No. Okay, it does have these two on the inside and then the strap that goes around. So I'm gonna see. I don't know how this is gonna work on my locks. I usually do a wig cap, so I'm not sure. Oh, and then it has a hole at the top. So, honey, how is this supposed to work? Let me see. Y'all know these locks, baby. They're little thickums. They're little thickums. So I'm a little worried about that. I know the last headband wig that I did, it was tight on my head with locks. So I'm hoping that is not the case with this one. I really only wear that other headband wig for like vacation and for like photos. Like the last time I had that headband wig on, I had it on for maybe 2 hours in Miami. So, I don't know. But anywho, let's see how this works. I'm trying to leave my little baby hairs out. I'm still working on my baby hairs, y'all. Okay, so it has this. Okay. So it has two, I guess, straps that you connect with the Velcro. So I'm gonna put these because I don't want that to. I love that it comes with a black headband already attached to it. Y'all, I got a big head too. So this should be interesting. Ooh, honey. These locks, baby, these locks. they don't make anything easy. And it's probably gonna get worse as they get longer. I don't know. Okay, let's see. I do feel like this is gonna be tight though on my head because of my locks. And honestly, the way it's looking, I'm gonna hook that front one. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get this down as flat as I would like it to. And then even when my hair is styled, like whenever my locks are styled, it's still not that flat. So I don't even know how good. I wish it had combs on the sides. Cause baby, combs in the front and the back, that ain't enough. And then I gotta place this right because this comb is hurting a little bit. Y'all see, can y'all see all of this? That's all that is locks. That is not underneath the wig. Okay. I guess I gotta hook that there. Oh, honey, it's looking real wiggish. It's looking real wiggish. I don't know if this is gonna work for me. The locks might be messing this headband wig up, y'all. Dang, that sucks because it looks like it could be cute. Like to wear going to the store or something. But I don't know. Okay. So I have the stretch attached. Oh, but baby, it is definitely giving wig vibes. It's not flat at all. The dadgum wig cap is showing. So let's push that back some. I'm trying to make this work because I really want it to work, but I don't think I'm ready to get it flat enough, y'all. This is what it's looking like right now. Let's see if I add this little headband that it came with, if that helps it. The hair itself is cute though. I just don't think with my locks I'm gonna be able to get it flat enough. So that kind of sucks, but you know, it's kind of to be expected with locks. Can't do everything with locks. Okay. So how do we feel about it, y'all? Y'all have to let me know down below. It looked really, really good on her. That's how I know it's my locks. Because it looks really good and natural on her. And I mean, honestly, this doesn't look bad. Like, let's say I wanted to switch it up and just, you know, see something different. I could possibly do this. I could put in like a ponytail and maybe it not look so wiggy. Let's see the back. And it is kind of tight. I don't think it's as tight though as my other headband wig. If you haven't seen my other headband wig video, go check that out. It'll be linked below. But overall, I love the hair. I love the hair. It's a great length, good for like summertime. Because it's not so long, maybe even winter too. The shine is nice. It's not too shiny. It's like just the right amount. The curls is popping for sure. It's cute. I like it. I really do like it. I just think that my locks is messing it up and making it wiggy. So that's what sucks. But it's cute though. Y'all gotta let me know what y'all think down below. What do y'all think of this headband wig? It is tight. It's not an uncomfortable tight, but as I showed y'all earlier, all the locks is not even underneath the wig. I don't know if you can ask for like a bigger wig cap, but I would definitely need one because like I said, all of this is locks and it's not underneath the wig. And then it's not as flat as it could be because of the locks, I feel like. But any regular person with just regular hair could definitely throw on a wig cap, baby, do their edges, put a headband on, and be good to go. Like this is definitely worth it. And it's cute. And I may still try it, honey. You never know, okay? I may still try it. I may bust out with it every now and then. You know what I'm saying? Because it is cute. It is cute. Let me try it with a different headband. Pause for the cause. Hold on. Okay, y'all. So I'm going to try it with this, like, scarf. So let me take this off. Can you wear it with just the black one? I mean, you could, but I wouldn't. I think it shows too much of it being a wig. But people that wear wigs and don't care about it looking wiggy, do you, boo? I know I care, so I'm not trying to be out here looking wiggy. Let me see. How do I want to do this? I probably should I have wrapped it in the front first? I'm new to wearing headbands and scarves and stuff with like my locks and whatnot. So let me see. Let me see. Let's see if I can raise y'all up a little bit. Yeah, I don't think I necessarily like that. And it could just be how I tied it. And this part is not cute in the front, for one. I would rather, like, let me see, like maybe this part show instead. It's really long to be a headband and it's covering up my baby hairs. Maybe if I push that part back, and then, y'all, I'm trying. I'm trying to make this work because I really do want this to work. See if I can put it to the side. Let's see. Is it giving or no? What do we think? Here's a piece of hair. I don't know where it is, but it's on my glasses and it's bothering me. Okay. Is it giving? Is it giving or no? Let me know. Is it giving what it was supposed to have gave or no? Y'all have to let me know down below what y'all think of this. I'm kind of liking it, y'all. I'm kind of liking it, especially with the bigger scarf instead of this little headband. I feel like it looks a little less wiggy. I would definitely have to play around with it more because I still kind of want it like flatter. But y'all, cute little semi-natural little shine here. Little shum. Just if you want to see something different, you know what I'm saying? And like I said, if you don't have locks, it'll probably work out better for y'all. But I do want to show my peoples what headbands look like with locks. And then, like I said, you could do the ponytail, or you could even do it up ponytail. You can put a ponytail up. Let's see, do I have a ponytail holder real quick where I could show y'all what that would look like? Let me see. This is a jacked up ponytail holder, but what y'all think? What y'all think? Y'all gotta let me know down below. Is it giving or no? Y'all gotta let me know. Anywho, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, honey. Let me know down below what y'all thinking about this headband wig. Are you going to get it to try for yourself? What you thinking? Let me know. Anywho, I love you guys so much. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.